and the Hangout is on air. This is Marketing Show on Thursday, August 3rd of 2017. And I'm here with Laura and Blandine, and perhaps someone else will join us. But in case they don't, let's just go over what we're going to discuss today. So we have Laura, you were saying social media?
Yeah, social media bot. And
Social
then
media
also
bot.
bot, yeah, Slack bot. And
Okay.
then the just this Facebook on Twitter likes. I just want a better understanding of what's happening there.
Anything else?
That should be all. And just put that I'm on leave next week, so I'll be back on Thursday.
Okay. 1 week from today?
Yeah, 1 week from today.
Oops. Zero. Blandine, do you have anything?
Yes, I would like to talk about the user ID.
Okay.
And that's all for today.
Okay. And I think we had, oh, Marufa. Hi, Marufa.
Hiya. Hello.
Hey, Marufa. Do you have any topics?
No. I'm
No?
just gonna get on with the list I already have for Monday.
Okay. Okay. So in that case, let's take these out for now. And for me, I don't think I have anything. That might change. I'm not sure. And yeah, should we talk about the newsletter? Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, we probably should. So let me actually take this out. Put it right here. Okay. So, okay, let's see. I copied this entire thing, so this will actually be previous action items. And let's go over these. So, yeah, we were going to ask Laura if I think it was your idea to talk about the edX course.
Yes.
So we were going to ask
if I see there's two courses. I see there's the like the basic and then the advanced.
Right. Did you ever take those courses or not?
No, I'm going to do it. I just want to finish the Alexia stuff first.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. But yeah, so we were wondering if you were interested, if it was your idea to write an article on the courses, but maybe.
I think it'd probably be better for Sam because he's actually one of the
Right.
teachers for the courses. So if he's
Yeah,
got time, I don't know if he's going to be able to get it. So when does he come back? In 2 weeks' time, huh? That takes us to the middle of August. Yeah, then that should be fine.
Yeah, well, I think we're actually going to try to, if possible, get it out by next Wednesday.
Okay.
Because yeah, the newsletter. Because the last one went out on the 7th, and next Wednesday will be the 9th.
Okay, well, maybe because there's quite a lot of detail about the courses on the actual page, maybe I can just kind of take snippets out of that and put something together for the newsletter. I think
Well-
Sam, yeah, I don't know if Sam would be able to get to it while he's away.
Yeah. Maybe we should put that one off till next month.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
So let's do that.
Can I just say, then should I try and get the draft? I can look at. There's 2 blogs, that needs to be put on the newsletter. Blandine's one and someone else's. That Sam's mentioned, and the 2 articles that I've done. So that would give us 4. So I can create a draft and show you for Friday or end of year.
Sure.
Yeah. So then maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we can play around with it and you can make.
Yeah.
Well, I say you because clearly I can't do it still. But maybe one of those days we could do the like maybe formatting. I can do it and you can watch me. But I'll make a draft now
Yeah.
for tomorrow.
That sounds
Yeah.
fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
By the way, Matt volunteered also to do an upgrade to Rails 5 article, a short, maybe a paragraph.
Okay.
So that's an additional.
I'll add it. I'll make the draft for August, and we can add Matt's one in by next week. But let me just get something. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, yeah, before I forget, I'll just add that you'll start the template, start the newsletter template. Okay. Do we need to talk about this, Marifa? The NHS report?
I done a second draft, but I'm looking at Google Analytics, and I think I'm going to change it a bit. And I showed it to Sam, so I
Okay.
think he's going to get to it tomorrow. That's what he said. He's scared. Yeah, he messaged me. So yeah, that should be that will get done. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. And let's see, blending, I forgot where we left this. Did Sam need to publish your 3rd blog, or are you okay on that? Or
Yeah, yes, everything is okay.
yeah,
Yeah, yes.
I don't need to publish anything.
For the moment, no.
Okay.
Blandine, did you put your blog on the marketing channel for me to put it in
Okay.
the newspaper? Yes, please. Thank
Okay.
you. Or just a link to it. Thank you.
Okay. Great. And so moving on, Laura, would you like to talk about the posting plan at all?
Okay, so I spoke about the social media bot called Yalla. There's been an issue trying to get it linked to Agile Ventures so I can test it. But I've put in a support request. So they came back to me now, actually, and they're looking into it. So I should have a response by the end of the day, and I can get that testing in the social media channel that I created.
Okay, yeah, that's
Laura,
right.
sorry.
ahead.
Lara, did you add me to that channel, the social media channel, by any chance?
Yeah, I did. I'm sure I
Okay,
did.
I need to look for it then. Okay, thank you.
Let me just check for you. Yeah, Marifa added you this morning.
Okay, okay, that's probably
so
why. Yeah, thank you.
yeah, it's probably like what was 7 o'clock my time, so 6 a.m. your time.
Yeah, I didn't really look at Slack today, so but thank you.
Okay, pleasure.
And actually, Laura, let's see, August, is the social media plan ready to go, the posting plan?
Honestly, no, it's not. I'm actually busy with it now. I've just been sorting some personal issues out.
Yeah, no problem.
Cool.
So I'll just add that to the action items.
Thank you.
Excuse me, Federico.
Sure.
I have just checked my Medium account, and you should publish my blog post 2 months later.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I'll take a look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, and if I have any questions, I'll ask you on Slack. Okay.
Okay.
Now, okay, so moving on. Demo buffer. Was there any, Laura?
Yeah, I just want to test this. I just want to test this bot first before we
Sure.
before we decide buffer, because they're both the same price. But this, yeah, I tested Yalla on my ad factory Slack, and it's very cool. I like it. So I just hope it. Yeah, I'm just hoping that we can resolve the issue today. Then I can just get.
Well, again,
all
it's
the-
called Yellow.
Yeah, Yalla, YALA bot.com.
Okay. Okay. And let's see, the podcast. Let's just not talk about the podcast. Moving on.
They're there. I mean, I did put the link to Fiverr. So
Yeah.
Yeah.
I may work on it this weekend.
Okay.
Let's just leave it at that. And you guys got this done, right? Some of this?
Let me see. Blend can work on his idea. Help from Laura. Yeah. So that was what the demo did today with Blandine, and I can't forget. I can't remember the other guy's name. Sherbet, sorry. On how to put in a request, a feature request on GitHub.
Right. Right.
And then how to put the request in on GitHub, that then shows it on Waffle, and then from there how to vote on it, and from voting we now sit and wait until somebody takes on that feature.
Right. Did anyone, by chance, I'm just curious, did anyone, I think you guys voted simple on it?
Yeah.
Did you have any idea?
So
Yeah,
it's
did
just,
you have any idea on who would take it on?
no, I got a feeling Matt will probably take it on. If I have time today, I'll take it on. But yeah.
Okay. All right, so actually, while we're on that, since we're through all the tickets, did you have anything else, Blandine, that you wanted to talk about it?
No.
Can I just add, Blandine, thank you for the Slack, your link. I can get access to it, but there's nothing published yet. I guess you get wait for Federico to publish it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay. So I'll do that then.
Yeah, because it's empty at the moment. Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, Federico. We're just kind of piled it on. Sorry.
No, it's fine. I'll get that done here today.
I do have something to talk about.
Yeah, go ahead.
I just wanted to say for Monday, I would hopefully haven't started yet, but I'll do that report for the interview feedbacks. And so we'll talk about the interview hopefully on Monday, and I'll have a look at the code of conduct. I didn't get a chance, sadly, to read it properly, but yeah, I'm going to read that as well. So we'll talk about them for Monday.
Yeah, sure.
Hopefully. I say that.
Yeah, and I think some projects are already using it. It's sort of a file basically that it's suggested that you put it into every project. into the GitHub repo of every project. And if I'm not mistaken, that I could be wrong, but I think the SHF project or another one, it might be another one, already has it in there. I think some of Sam, maybe local support, he already put the file in there.
Oh, that's good. He wanted we were thinking of adding code of conduct to the website,
Right.
non-profit website, and so I just said I want to have a read of it, and he said he wants to slowly put code of conduct into each project. So he's doing it. But I just wanted to read it. I just haven't had the chance. Well, I did make chance.
Yeah, and I think there was talk about that in the AV Community Talk channel of actually having like a site-wide like Agile Ventures code of conduct too. So yeah. Yeah, so I guess we'll talk about that a little further on Monday. Do we have any other topics? I think we're done, no? We might be done. Wow, this might be the shortest marketing meeting. Nobody has anything else?
I just wanted to understand this Facebook and Twitter like thing that conversation that's going on between you and Sam. I see that there are likes happening, but are we supposed to be actioning anything, or?
Well, okay.
Has it been put out there, or?
So I think what's happening is that the glance bot is telling us that there was 2 likes, and then Sam signed in. He got their names, and then he looked them up on Slack. And then on Slack, he had already had a conversation with, I think his name was Austin. And I think through the Sam bot. So in direct message, he had already been talking to him. And he also, so because of the glance bot, because of the likes, he sent a message to Raul, basically saying, hey, we noticed that you liked us on Facebook. We have a promotion for a free mob programming session, and something like So
okay, but I just want to understand: is this going to be an ongoing thing? Because we had 1 like on the 26th of July. So has any communication happened with that person? Yesterday was Austin and Raul. So you've had communication with him. So Vabhav Sharam, has anybody communicated with him on the 26th?
I do not know the answer to that. I can look.
Because I don't want any lashback happening, because we can't put something out there and it's not being like administrated properly. Because I think maybe this is a point that we need to add to my list is maybe if we come up with ideas and we do execute them, we need to have clear documentation so that if somebody's away or somebody doesn't attend a meeting and then they get involved, we know what's happening.
Right.
That makes
so
sense.
There's a couple things on that. Yes, understood. So let me just show. I don't know if you saw this. So Sam came up with this page. It says the premium offer. So I guess we could direct people to this simple little couple lines on it. He got this, which is basically the same link. It automatically, when you click on it, it says it automatically pulls up your mail, and with the link to mail social at agileventures.org, and it says I liked -follow at AB. So there's that, and there's also Sam was thinking about trying to automate this, but if I'm not mistaken, he's basically been on top of everything.
Okay.
I kind of had the idea that the person would sort of self-report You know, that they would be like, yes, I definitely want this offer. I'm gonna like it. I'm gonna follow them on Twitter, and we've kind of told everybody to let us know, like right here. If you don't automatically contact you following your like or follow, please reach out to us. But I think Sam's going a step further, that he's just looking at everybody who likes us or follows us on Twitter, and he's reaching out to them
Yeah,
Okay.
regardless. Yeah.
we should be monitoring. We can't leave it to the user to
Yeah.
come to us. It has to be the other way. It has to be on us.
Yeah, yeah. So that was so my idea was that they would kind of pretty much let us know. But I think Sam is in agreement with you guys that we should be looking out. So I think Sam has been on top of that. I think he's reached out to everybody.
So,
Um,
so,
yeah.
so maybe we
Go
should
ahead.
have a spreadsheet saying likes and by name. So then we can have a checklist to make sure that everyone that's liking us is being
Has been-
communicated.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that the rest of the team knows that when one person is missing from the team meeting, that the rest of us can go check on that document and see that it's been followed up.
When did this promotion thing start? Just so that I can go and make a list from.
I think it was
when
around.
started.
Yeah, I think it was around the when we sent out the last newsletter. So approximately the 7th of July.
Okay. All right.
So should we? Would that work for you, Laura? A spreadsheet?
Yeah. Yeah. I think that's great. That would be great. And then I'll just update it every day. As soon as I get notifications, then at least then, yeah, because then it's not been worked on in a silo and we know what's going on.
Right. Yeah. No. Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
And I
So-
think that should be if we have a social media channel now, then the notification, maybe we should all have access. That maybe it doesn't just fall on you and Sam.
Well, I get
Okay.
notification. I just it's on my phone because.
Okay, then that's fine. Then
Yeah,
if
it
it's
doesn't get
easier, then
notified.
it's
It's
fine.
I just get like a ping on my phone because I monitor through an app, and then I can just add it to the list. But so maybe Marufa must add you to the Agile Ventures page because then you can also see the notifications that are happening at the top.
Yeah, it would help me understand Facebook and Twitter analytics a little bit as well. So it'd be good for me to see how it kind of works. So yeah.
Have you have you liked the Agile Ventures?
I haven't done anything. I'm sorry. I haven't done anything. It's on my to-do list.
No problem.
You know, Marifa, if you like us, we could give you a free. session.
I think I'm good.
Will that motivate you?
I think I'm good, sadly.
Ah,
Both sessions. Maybe one of those coding sessions for formatting the newsletters. Maybe if I liked you guys can do that.
yeah. No, actually, I should start charging you. Yeah.
Yes. No, don't charge me.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I'll just do it for free. So are we good on that?
Yeah.
We need to create a spreadsheet. We maybe need to get Sam to give Marifa access to the Facebook.
I can do that. Yeah, it's easy. I can do that. As soon as she likes the Facebook page, I can give her
All right.
access.
So you got to do that first. There's your motivation, Marifa.
I'll ping you. At least
All right.
is that a term?
Yeah. So yeah, okay, we're good on that. So I'm glad we talked about that. Yeah, because I forgot. Do you have anything else to add about that? Until August 10th?
No, nothing.
Okay.
I might pop in now and again. I'll just see what I'm doing, where I'm at.
Okay. Should we talk about the newsletter or just hope it
It writes itself.
yeah. Well, there are like bots basically that write articles. I mean,
Is
come
it?
on.
Oh, great. Yeah, well, I think it's definitely a must. So, newsletter prefers Tuesdays to Friday. Yeah. So we just got to see when. Can we see in Elastic Mail which days are being opened the most? Or I suppose we could also look at the stats when the last email was sent out. And we can look at Google Analytics to see if there was a bit of a spike in that week.
Right. Yeah.
And
You're
which
talking
was
about
the
right
most. No, I'm not talking about right now.
Okay.
We can do it right now. I mean, we've got a lot of time. So let me log on to Analytics and Google.
Yeah. If you want, I could pull it up.
That's cool. I'm in it. And
Okay.
let me just find Agile Ventures. Agile. Oh, it's website one. Website. Oh, okay. I don't have access to website one. Or do I? Actually, maybe I do. It's just the way he's named it. Okay, so let me share my screen. Share screen. Okay, so the last mail went out on the
7th of July,
7th
7th,
of
I think through the
July.
7th through the 8th and 9th.
Okay. Oh, where is it? Why they've changed this so they keep changing it. It's frustrating. How do we see where are we? Traffic in the last custom. Where are we? July 7th. And let's do it to the July. Let's do it just to that week. Let's see what happens. So we can see our spikes are kind of interesting. Our spikes are like on a Monday. What's that? A Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So Monday, a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So our Saturdays and Sundays downtime. So I suppose, yeah, Friday, Monday, Mondays or Tuesdays, Thursdays. Oh, that's Fridays. So Fridays seem to be quite busy. Cool.
Well, just for that week, right?
Yeah,
You
that's
think?
just for that week. I mean, yeah, sure, if I can do it for, even if I do it for the month. You can see your spikes are, what's that? That's a Monday. That's a Thursday. So your middle of the week, are a bit lower. Mondays are good. Thursdays. What's it? Fridays. So
So
there was quite a big, yeah.
how about we work backwards? Which one is that little one? There's like two real low ones.
This one, yeah.
The third one, yeah, that one too, yeah.
That's a Sunday.
Sunday.
Yeah, the Sundays seem to be quite low. Sundays and Saturdays, not much is going on.
Okay, so definitely.
Except, it's so weird. So we're getting quite a lot of people on a Thursday from looking at our paid search for organic. Yeah, so Mondays, Fridays, Mondays. I don't know. I still believe that it should go out on like a Wednesday to a Thursday.
You think so?
Yeah,
So-
but I mean our activity is quite high on a Friday, so but that's fine. Let's leave it as what we've said there, between a Monday and a Friday. I mean a Thursday, Tuesday and a Friday.
between Monday and Sunday.
Yeah, between Monday and Sunday, just not Saturday and Sunday. Between Monday and Friday. Sure.
Yeah, well, that was sort of the problem. Like, Elastic email, they sent out like a good portion of them on Saturday last time.
Okay, because you did a. Why do you do a staggered? Okay, so then maybe the solution is to start it on a Tuesday, or does it send it out on like over 2 days? Is that what it does?
No, it's over 24 hours, but usually there's 100 or so that I have to. No, maybe like 20. It's usually Yahoo that there's about 20 that are bounced for no good reason, for throttled,
Okay.
and I have to resend those, like usually
Okay.
after 48 hours.
Okay. So then maybe then it is best if you are doing it over 24 hours, then just to send it out either on a Thursday and a Friday, or a Tuesday,
Yeah.
Wednesday, whatever.
So this next week it'll more than likely be Wednesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah,
Sure.
I guess we could sort of tweak that month to month, see how it goes.
Okay.
If maybe we do it on Monday 1 month and we get like 30%, then let's always do Monday.
Perfect.
Just as an example, I'm not saying that.
Okay, cool.
Anything else, Laura?
Yeah, it just seems that like India is a big part of us.
Yeah.
It's quite a lot. It's quite interesting. And then I love this. Here's me. I've been here twice from South Africa. Anyway, yeah, no, that's
Yeah.
cool. I think that's perfect. That's it.
Okay.
Just no one from Australia.
Yeah, I was looking at where they're not coming from.
Yeah, or not even New Zealand.
Huh.
Interesting.
We should try to target a little bit to, Australia. China, I can kind of see why. Nobody from Russia.
Yeah. No one
Nobody
from
from
Russia.
Greenland.
Yeah. Interesting. Anyway. Lots of Canadians. A whole 2 Canadians. Anyway, there you are. You online. There we go. One from you. No,
Yeah.
cool. All right. Perfect.
Okay. Yeah, that's great to see. So should we wrap up the meeting? I think we're
Yeah.
at 45 minutes after, and nobody has anything else.
No.
No.
Okay, so should we start the poetry section
Yes,
of the
please.
meeting? Read some poems? No? Nobody's with me?
Well, you can start.
Uh,
No.
Suffering Happiness. It's a real short poem. I just wrote it.
The beginning and the end.
Yeah. Okay. So nobody's into poetry, I guess. So
No.
in that case, for today's meeting, I'll stop the broadcast.